Hey everybody, it's Dave here. Before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to take a second to thank some of our newest exclusive members on YouTube. We've got Mike B, Gerald Chisholm, and Joseph Roman. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to us. It goes a long way to keeping this content coming to you. If you would like to help support the channel, you can do that by clicking the join button at the top of the channel page, right next to the subscribe button. Thank you so much everyone who's already joined us, and now on with today's video.
Well, Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to Desert Sky Adventures, and welcome back to the Allen Street vlog, the first vlog of 2025. I can't believe I'm saying it. Well, the holiday season is officially over, and I'm very pleased to report that it's finally starting to cool off a little bit. In fact, in the next couple days, we'll be experiencing highs in the 40-degree range, and there's even a chance of snow on Wednesday night, although I'm not really holding my breath for that. But we'll see. There's always a chance. On today's episode, we're getting an inside look at another very unique stay here in Tombstone. A little bit later, we'll premiere the award-winning micro mini short I was involved with called No Reservations. But first, just a couple days ago, multiple police agencies and even a few SWAT team vehicles were seen rolling through Tombstone. What's the deal with that? It's today's top story.
This week's top story: a horrific incident occurred in the nearby town of Pearce, a small town we've visited a couple times on the channel. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to see what it looks like. On January 4th, Cochise County authorities indicated they were looking for a suspect involved in a kidnapping and homicide in southern Arizona. An update on Saturday morning around 11:30 a.m., the department said an active barricade investigation is underway involving the suspect and deputies near Cat Claw Road and Highway 181. The suspect, who was identified by the sheriff's department as 37-year-old Rin Prairie Roca, was taken into custody and sent to the Cochise County Jail. Naturally, this event generated some curiosity and maybe a little excitement in town, as several eyewitnesses saw multiple law enforcement agencies and at least one SWAT team vehicle rolling through town on their way to deal with the incident. This week, we're taking an exclusive look at Katie's Cozy Cabins located on Allen Street. Very unique place to stay in Tombstone. Here's the owner, Reggie, to tell us more about it.
Hi, I'm Regina Basinger. I'm born and raised in Germany. You can probably tell that by my accent. I bought the cabins over 10 years ago. I kept the name Katie's Cozy Cabins because it was already established, and I thought, why changing the name when you already have a running business? We've really thrived to update major things every year. So last year in December we did the kitchenette. We kind of refurbished the countertop, put a new sink in, removed one of the cupboards. We have two full-size beds in the cabin. One is downstairs in the bunk bedroom, and then we have a little top bunk which the kids really like. State-of-the-art mini split unit that heats during the winter time and also cools during the summertime. We have the second bed, which is also a full size, up in the loft. I sometimes get the question from guests that wants to stay with us if we have like a bathroom, or is it an outhouse style. You have your shower that's comfortable, you have your sink, you have your own bathroom. It's good cookingware, hot plates, coffee pot. I did the countertops, did the burning. I'm very proud of that. I really like to do creative stuff, and that really makes my heart sing. And we are pet friendly, and right now in January we have a nice little treat for our pet owners that come with their pets. So if you take a picture during your stay of your pet in front of the cabins, you save 50% of the pet fee, which knocks it down to $15. We have two nice barbecues that our guests are welcome to use. We have our little park area with the seating. And in October we hosted my wedding. It was very nice, little reception. It was very cool to just have my business in with me. at the happiest day of my life, basically. Because we always want to be the best and up to date and just pamper our guests with modern technology, modern amenities, although they're in the town too tough to die.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much for showing it to us.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, Dave.
So, taking a walk around town on Monday, January 6th, and you notice quite a few Christmas remnants still scattered about the area, but they are slowly going away. You can see the tree in the park has been removed. And I imagine in a few more days, probably all this stuff will be put away for the next Christmas season. That's Christmas of 25. Can't wait to see it all again. But until then, yeah, it feels like it's time for probably things to start to get back to normal around here. We do have one tragic announcement to make. The Tombstone Christmas Lamp Post, world famous at this point, which you know if you're a regular here, this is a lamppost that somehow kept its Christmas decorations from last year's Christmas, that's Christmas of 23, all the way through to January of 2025. Well, I'm very sad to report those decorations are no longer on this pole. The only lamppost in the entire town that was spreading Christmas cheer for well over a year, sadly, is no more. The Tombstone Christmas Lamp Post will be missed. Paintwork and renovations continue over at the Crystal Palace, starting to look very nice. We'll keep an eye on this. Be sure to show you what it looks like when it's completed all the way. The third annual Tombstone Film Festival is returning on January 23rd through the 26th at Tombstone's Shefflin Hall. If you're interested, you can get tickets for it at filmfreeway.com. This event was created and produced by local filmmakers Travis Mills and John Mars of Tombstone. And speaking of filmmaker and local John Mars, he recently asked me to take part in a short he was producing on John Wayne's birthday, a tradition for him to try and film something every year on John Wayne's birthday. And this year he produced a micro mini short, about 2-minute long film called No Reservations, which went on to win Best Micro Mini Short at the Cowpokes Film Festival in Tucson. I was asked to film and edit the short, which of course I said yes, and I secured permission to show it to you guys. So for the first time ever, we're going to show it here at the YouTube premiere of No Reservations. Check it out.
Welcome. Please go right inside. Close but no cigar, gentlemen. We're looking for the place down the street.
Okay.
Welcome. Please go right on in. Sorry, gentlemen. Like I told those other fellows, you're looking for the place down the street.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey, I'm here to relieve you. Has it been busy today?
Yeah, not too bad, but we really got to think about changing our name. Everyone keeps confusing us with that place down the street. See ya.
See you later.
Well, my friends, that's going to wrap it up for the first vlog of 2025. I want to thank you all for tuning in for yet another year of Desert Sky Adventures. Before we go today, we're going to show you a little mashup of just some of the adventures we took in the year 2024. That's going to do it for today, folks. So until next time, until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you down the road.